Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers, out here in Olathe, Kansas at Bugs Daycare, where they're molding our young children to be fine, productive citizens. We've got 5 or 6 King Piers going in right here. Can't see it because of the snow, but this building here, it's either a slab on grade sitting on a frost footing, or it's a slab on grade doweled into the frost footing. We've done a few of these projects before. We asked for the blueprints on this so we'd know for sure, and they didn't have anything for us. So we're hoping the floors come up. If they don't, they're gonna have to pier the floors along with piering the footing. So stay tuned. King Piers, Olathe, Kansas, 816-521-8915. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com.